You are here, and this means you've already heard how insanely useful LinkedIn can be for your career. With 700 million users spread through 200 countries, LinkedIn is the biggest professional social media platform in the world. And just for your information, more than 4 million LinkedIn users were hired through the platform in 2019. I'm Marat from EMMOTION, myemotion.com, career services agency. Look me up on LinkedIn once you set up your profile. I worked in HR and in headhunting for over 12 years, and I used LinkedIn nearly from the start. So in this video, I would like to help you to get started on LinkedIn in the right way. This LinkedIn beginners tutorial will immediately get you noticed by recruiters, employers, clients, or any other leads. If you haven't subscribed yet, then definitely hit the subscribe button and enable the notification bell so you won't miss out my latest career and personal growth content. The starting point for everyone on LinkedIn is step number 1, creating a LinkedIn profile by creating a LinkedIn account, of course. To register, fill out your email and password. Agree and join. Make sure you use an email that you check regularly to be updated with notifications or connection requests that you might receive. Add your basic information, including your full name, phone number, your location, etc. Once your account is created, fill in the rest of your profile step by step. LinkedIn profile setup is similar to your typical resume. Experience and skills section, education, languages, etc. Keep in mind that you can always add details and change your profile again at any time by clicking on Edit Profile at the top right side of your LinkedIn photo. Step number 2 would be, of course, choosing and uploading the right profile photo for LinkedIn. Your profile picture is your business card on LinkedIn. It's how people are introduced to you. And since humans are very visual beings, it will affect on their impressions from the start. So, quick tips for your LinkedIn profile picture. Make sure the picture is recent and looks like you. A well-lit close-up face shot is the best option. Wear what you would wear to work, ideally smiling and looking into the camera. Recruiters don't really go around LinkedIn judging how people look, but it is a human nature to have a certain reaction when we see a photo of someone. So while deciding which picture to use, think if you would hire yourself as an employee or as a consultant just by looking at your picture. Number 3, customize your LinkedIn headline and make it more than just a job title. Think of your headline as of a business card title. It has to be clear, and by default, LinkedIn will place your most recent job title as your headline. So you will have to go to your headline, press the edit button, and customize it using the words that define your profile the most, and words which would make it easier for others to find you. Avoid generic headlines. You might want to take a look at the headline of a few different LinkedIn profiles as an inspiration to make it more than just a job title. There are 120 characters available for you to make your headline stand out. Step 4. Add a background photo. Your background photo is also a visual element at the top of your LinkedIn profile page. It grabs people's attention, sets the context for your profile. It also helps your page to stand out from the crowd and for people to remember you in some way. To change your background photo, click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn profile page. Click the Edit icon in your intro card. You can see there is even a recommended size for your LinkedIn background photo. You can choose any photo or image that you think represents you the most. If you have a brand, then consider having its logo and a short value pitch along with it. If you are employed by a company, you can consider having a corporate picture that might represent you and that might actually look good on your profile. Step number 5, customize your LinkedIn URL. Customizing your URL on LinkedIn will help you to brand yourself better. It will allow you to reference to your LinkedIn page easily in your resume, in your business cards, or in any other documents. To do this, click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click the Edit Public Profile and URL section. You will find the URL section on the top right corner. Keep it simple. It could be your name, your last name, your business name, etc. Once you get your custom LinkedIn profile URL, you should promote it. Add your custom URL to your email signature, to your business cards, or to any other marketing material you might use. Share it on your website or on any other social media where you have an active profile. Step 6. Write a good LinkedIn summary. The first thing to say about your LinkedIn summary is make sure you have one. So many people still leave this part blank on their LinkedIn profile, when in fact your LinkedIn summary is your chance to tell your own professional story. Listing your skills and the job titles you've had is not enough. Don't be afraid to invest some time into it and to turn your LinkedIn summary into your professional story. Your summary can also give viewers a clear idea of what they should do in regards to your profile and what you want them to do once they read your summary. This is a very important step, which is why I made a complete step-by-step video guide on how to write a good LinkedIn summary. I'm adding up the link in the description below and to the card which you see on your screen. Step 7. Include accomplishments while adding your job descriptions. Mention accomplishments in your bullet points under each experience or studies which you add. Don't just say responsible for this or studied that. These descriptions don't say anything about how good you were. What did you actually do? What did you accomplish at the job or during your studies? What are the most memorable achievements of this experience? Mention all these as bullet points. This is really similar to what you should put on your resume. And if you are looking into updating your resume as well, check out my detailed video on resume and on accomplishments through the card on your screen once you finish watching this video. But let me give you a few examples on here on what accomplishments should look like. Increased department revenue by 15% by acquiring 10 new clients during 2019. Successfully hired and trained 5 new team members. Supervised 2 project teams and 5 marketing projects at the same time while launching a whole new product range. Build your network. After you are done with creating your profile, you are ready to start building your network. LinkedIn connections are different from those on other networks. As a professional platform, it's important to be mindful of who you are welcoming into your network. If you wonder who you should connect with, start in the following order. Connect with people who you know, trust and value as a professional connection. Connect with people you have worked with at some point. Then you can also connect with family and friends, which will help you expand your network outside of your industry. And a few tips on how to connect. Avoid using the default invitation request whenever you can. Include a personalized message. Explain in the message why you want them to join your network. If you are looking for more videos on how to grow and how to improve your LinkedIn profile, check out my LinkedIn videos with the next level tips. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please thumb it up and share it with whoever you think it might be beneficial to. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and see you in my next video coming up.